Welcome back, everyone. My name is Amanzi Ogbonna. If you don't know me, I don't know what they do. If you do know me, I still don't know what they do. But welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about my displacement of monitors. So I've been using a multi-monitor setup for more than 5 years now. I would say 6 years. But of recent, I kind of noticed that whenever I want to switch to a single monitor setup, I kind of struggle because I am kind of spoiled with the use of multi-monitor setup. So whenever I need to change rooms or travel, it becomes a struggle to manage my workflow on a one monitor system. So I need that to stop because at the same time, it makes me less productive when I need to use only my laptop, because if I need to go out and work, I need to be efficient. If I need to stay in my room and maybe work on a video or maybe work on my work tasks, I should not be struggling. I should not be weak. I should not be demotivated when I need to do things like that. So something like that. In case you see me and I'm looking very frail and scattering, I'm trying to arrange my office. This is the first time I'm shooting in my office since 3 months now. So pardon me, I'm looking very haggard, battling this microphone, but hopefully it's fixed now. But the main thing is switch to a single monitor setup. I know it's many people's dream to work with multiple monitors. It's wonderful. Yes, I know it's wonderful. To me, the best multi-monitor setup are two. The stacked horizontal monitor setup, that is, you have one monitor below and you have another one on top, they sandwich together and have like a seamless flow. Or you have the vertical one with vertical and one with one with horizontal and one with vertical. So that's for programmers, where you have your code base on a very long line and another one on the landscape version. So, but if you cannot do any of that, I will say a single monitor is good. Buy the biggest monitor you can manage. So for me, the ideal monitor for me is a 27-inch. I don't go beyond that. Maybe in the future, when I start doing streaming or whatever the case may be, I might need a dedicated monitor. But for now, I've taken my other monitor and I've put it in my room. So I don't use it. I don't want to use that. I want to work with one monitor. If I am to use any other monitor, maybe an iPad will be okay. But for now, I'm going to stick with one monitor. And if I need more real estate, I'll get a bigger screen. But for now, 27 inches, enough for me. And if we're honest with ourselves, the last iMacs, how big were they? Were they not 27 inches? I'm not exactly sure, but they were not that big. And everybody worked well with them. But now we've spoiled ourselves to the point where we need 27 inch. We need 32 inch. We need 42 inch. I still think those ones are still good. They are still good, but regardless, you don't need them as a developer. You just need one monitor. Yeah. So except you have 4 jobs. I don't know for those kind of people. But the main thing is, I'm going to be sticking with one monitor, and I don't think there is a reason for me to have multiple monitors except when I start streaming in the future. So until when I start streaming, if you guys want to see me stream, I don't even know waiting I want to stream, but that's what I'm going to be doing. This is just a quick update on what my view is. And if you don't agree with me and you think a multiple monitor setup is better, I think it just depends on your preference. I just don't like the feeling of I'm working with a mediocre setup anytime I go out of the office. I want to be able to say, okay, if I'm working with this screen, I'm working with this screen, and I'm going to be efficient with one screen. If I go out to maybe a coffee shop, I should be able to work with one screen and not feel bad or feel uneasy because it's a downgrade of my system. No, I should be efficient wherever I go, and my monitor setup should not be the reason why I am efficient. Yeah, I don't want it. physically, I don't want it. Time-wise, I don't want it. I just want to be efficient with one monitor. And again, the other thing I didn't mention is the clutter. Having 2 monitors, whoo, the amount of wires I have to deal with. Oh, and again, mine is bad. I don't just have 2 monitors. I have 2 machines. My MacBook and my desktop. That is to say, 2 wires per machine. Yeah. Okay. I think I reduced it because it was getting too much. So I only sent only 1 wire to my desktop because I only sent it to my main screen. But the MacBook had 2 wires going to it. So it was just too much jank. And I switch input from machine to machine. So I just wanted to reduce the clutter. It was too much. It's fun to have it. It's exciting. You can do a lot of things. You can be streaming and presenting your screen at the same time. Don't get me wrong, that still exists, but I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy the multi-monitor setup. I feel if I am disciplined enough, I should be able to switch from, let's say, OBS, create a desktop for OBS, switch to OBS and stream on another machine. I think that's still possible. So I don't need the extra jank. If I end up realizing that, oh, I need an extra screen, I think I will just maybe use my iPad or get a smaller screen for just because of I am streaming. But that one where I have to install a full-fledged monitor again, I don't want it anymore. It's kind of stressful. Whenever you see the wires, sometimes I spend hours trying to organize the wires. Well, yeah, so that's it though. I don't know whether this format of video made any sense, but if you don't agree with me, please tell me. If you do agree with me, please tell me. But I will be sticking more with a 1 monitor setup, because I know my colleague, my tech lead, whatever machine he is, it's just 1 screen. He just works with it and he works efficiently. Another thing I want to do for a future video is switch to Vim, because if I switch from 1 machine to another, I don't want to start setting up what do they call them? VS Code. No, I should be able to enter any machine and develop. So I'm trying to remove all these constraints and all this baggage that I have. So my next video, watch it, because I've finally done something with Windows that you people did not expect. I'm free! Until the next one, I'll see you guys and gals later. Bye-bye.